So hi guys, as we are playing a debate game here in which the other team is going to support India and we are supporting China. So first thing first, I am a student of this institute and internally from our deeply hearted we are only Indian citizens, so we are supporting India only. But for the sake of the game, we have a division of the team. So let's begin.
Okay, so the thing is that India is far better than the China. Why? Because we have a democracy, but China doesn't have. Because as per the behind the democracy, they are just making the conspiracy in the world order. Just like we can take the example of the COVID-19. Because of the COVID-19, like we have lots of grudges, we have lots of problems. That's why we are still
sir, we cannot
focusing on
say
it.
that we are not going to blame China for the COVID-19 whole year and the whole life, because somehow the mistakes happened and we cannot really say that the India is doing really great for now, because India is also facing a lot of problems.
So ma'am,
but
how can you say that
GDP China is much greater?
So ma'am, how can you say that COVID was not originated from China, as we know that you ate something wrong like bat or some rat, so from that the COVID exploded, but we as a human cannot control it because we have
Sir,
to carry.
apart from the COVID, China have a good technology, good money, good labor, and very much a labor and they have a first largest economy of the world. And if we are talking about the citizen of China, they have also a good.
But their data is not accurate. They are possessing that they are first economy, but all their technologies, whatever they are inventing, whatever they are innovating, that is false. That are fake, and that's why they are just posing their dictatorship upon the nation.
India people are taking a product from China. There are a lot of things which is coming from China. Mostly trade which come from China. We don't have a Microtech Snapdragon chip. Why? It is coming from
It's
China.
not like that, sir. Right now, the India also making so many kind of things. Even though right now India ban a lot of the apps also which is made by the China. So definitely it is really it's the part of the progress, because right now we having a lot of the thing. We cannot compare ourselves to the China because
Sir,
the China is nothing in front of us.
India, if the India has the power, why cannot India is making their own thing? India is exporting the thing from the China. Why are you saying that India is not? India, if the India is capable of doing that thing, why is India?
So, sir, first thing is that the China is also not producing something that is very unique to him. He have a history to produce something that is very copied to the America. And second thing is that you are supporting the country who have a history to killing the soldier of our country. That's a very shame on you. That
Okay, every country has a killing of the peoples. Okay, India also has in the wars, in the upcoming and in the future as well. And you are saying the democracy of the India is far greater. Women are getting raped on a daily basis. What they are getting? Nothing. Peoples are getting accident on the road. They are just writing an
Yes,
essay.
yes.
and
The thing
everything
is that I
happening.
have one quote related to the China. Their products in like in Hindi, like nahi chand tak India Chinese product nahi to chand tak, nahi to raat tak. That's the quote of the Indian media. Like, and the thing is that what we are following the things in India, we are having a majority of people, we are having a diversity, but still China is lag behind the democracy. Why still there
In
dictatorship in the
democracy, China is lacking. Are we really saying that? Because in China people are following only one religion, which is Buddhism, and some are atheist only also, but we cannot say that they are lacking behind the democracy and all. They are also developing day by day, and they are fully developed. We can also say
So,
that,
ma'am,
but in India
so, ma'am,
we are not developed.
So ma'am, as you are supporting China, ma'am, let me tell you, all the products of China are the worst. I have even bought some phones from China. They are the worst. And talking about the chipset Snapdragon, so it is originated from Taiwan and it is not a part of the China. Let me correct you on that way. First, gain some knowledge about the China. You don't even know what China makes.
Sir,
Taiwan makes China.
Sir, you tell about the phone of the China. 50% of India using Chinese phone. MI, Vivo, Oppo, this kind of phone. And if you are knowing about the Chinese phone, they have a good quality in a less.
No, sir, you are false. The quality is very worst, because if you purchase a mobile phone in morning, it is not working in evening. That's why we are purchasing just for cheap cost. And there is nothing
Still
in it.
it is not working in the evening. Still you are using a Chinese phone. Most of the people here is sitting in a, don't be in a bubble. Okay, everybody has a Chinese phone. Everybody is dependent on the, because it is Indian market is only about the money. Okay, money factor.
But sir, there's a reason that the world wants to say that the China is very cheap, because they are the one who started to copy the American product and they're selling to the other countries.
So you all are saying about it is not good, it is not good. In a money sector, the China is good. In every sector, in economic, the China China is good. The army sector, the China is far better than India. Means you can see the how much armies China
Who
has,
said to
and
you,
the
sir,
area
in
China
army
is
sector,
far better.
in army sector, China is good? Who said to you? Just tell me the one thing, because right now the whatever the army we have, so definitely you cannot compare our army to China, because the Chinese people, you know, the China people how many height they have. They having a lack of height, as well as they even though they don't see in the like.
Sir, in the Chinese, you can see the Chinese military has the second number of the highest military in the world. So how can you say that the number of the military people cannot defeat your Indian people? They can defeat your Indian people. That's not matter on the height, like what type of height they have. They have the potential to do that thing.
And the add-on points are like just it like if you will see the India and if you will see the China, there is a far better than the Indian. Why? Because we are having a that much polite way by which we can greet the someone. And but the Indian and the Chinese mentality, they always see the person in an enemy way. That's the ideology of the India. That's the ideology of the China, and still they are following this type of enemy kind of
Okay,
things.
sir, did you even listen to yourself? You yourself said that it is far better than the India. Far better than the India. You are also somehow supporting the China, and you have to also understand that, because if we are relating China to
Yeah,
India,
China is
India
far
is
better
not
than
good.
India. Yeah, China is far better than India in backstabbing. In the previous times, we used to say Hindi chini bhai bhai. That was the phrase on everyone's mouth. But what China did with Pakistan, they backstabbed us. That kind of the people you are supporting. Chinese are the worst kind of people. They look even.
Sir,
same.
every country want their country safe. That's why they are doing this kind of incidents. If we are talking about the India-China relation, so we know we have a very long time dispute from the India-China since the 19s. So that's why Chinese app we have banned because of our Chinese app.
It is not a matter of app, it is a matter of defense, because their defense system is totally based upon our output, because we are exporting our materials, our weapons, our raw materials. That's why their industry is going on, and their economy is totally based upon us. because
Whatever
we are
the matter,
investors.
whatever the matter, it is a globalization period. Okay, you cannot deny the fact every country is dependent on other countries. Okay, you are speaking about Taiwan. First thing first, they are not an independent country. Only few countries in the world, obviously they recognize Taiwan, but not every
Sir,
country.
how
Okay,
can you
they
say
are afraid of
that
them.
Taiwan is not an independent country? The people, if you ask the people of the Taiwan, they will say that we are very independent to the China. And also one thing is that China is have a bad reputation about crashing the economy of other countries. Even they are supporting the
So
Pakistan.
sir, in your team, anybody is saying that who said that China army is better? So I am saying that the China army is far better than India. And in your team, they are supporting us. The China is far better than India. So you all are supporting, and then you are saying the China is not good. They have
I think, brother, you are kids, so definitely you don't know about the anything. Right now you are a kid, so definitely you don't know each and everything about the full kind of things. Because right now the Chinese army, if you will see that army, so definitely they having a use of army, but they don't having that much power to they can fight with us. So definitely you cannot compare to the army.
Sir,
and
you cannot
if I talk about the another thing, so definitely India having a lot.
Sir,
of
in
things.
the India and China war, the China will win the war because of the army power. You cannot refute the power of the China. The China has a very much army power in the army. You cannot refute that thing.
Yes, the thing is that, yes, whatever my friend told you, like the Chinese people, they are having a good mindset in the backstabbing. That's why the China is far better than the India. And the thing is that, only thing is that we can take the example of the globalization, and still, like the Bangladesh crisis, Pakistan crisis, Sri Lanka crisis, just because
Don't
of
go
the
to
China,
Bangladesh
as well as
crisis
the
and
maps
other
we can
countries.
take.
Okay, maps that you are talking about, most of the Indian maps, have you ever Googled? No, because you are living in a bubble and you are living in a dilemma, so-called dilemma, that peoples of India are not able to claim their own territory. Aksai Chin, Arunachal Pradesh, area of other countries as well.
So, sir,
China
I
claims
think
that
you
they
are
have
not.
power.
I think you are not aware about the sovereignty. If you go through the concept of sovereignty, you will be definitely become very clear about that concept. Because we are independent in our own territory, and we have a strength to fight against China.
How much
You should remember the
independence you
war
are,
of
sir?
1962.
If you are talking about the independence, understand first what you are saying, because somehow we are also using the products that are coming from outside. We are not making our own product. What kind of mobile that you are using? You are using the mobile from India. The
So,
Jio
ma'am,
mobile phone. How much?
first of all, ma'am, don't teach us that we are not educated. My parents have given money that I am educated. You don't have to tell me that I am educated. First of all, sir, you don't even know someone's independence. Calling Taiwan an occupied country is so worst. We recognize
Sir,
Taiwan
you
as
and
a
your
country.
team say just anything because like you have a not particular knowledge about the China India. It's it's a harsh reality. China much better than India in every field, like in a army field, in a technology field, in a like labor field. They have a cheap labor according to India. That's why they are making any type of products in a less price. That's why the China grow day by day.
Okay, the simple thing is that right now you don't know about the China condition, which kind of things they are following. Right now, the China always do that thing. The simple thing they always do, like they always, they always made that kind of thing.
Which kind of thing the Chinese people do? You are not aware about which kind of people the Chinese people do, and you are saying me kid. You are not Albert Einstein. You are not aware.
No
about
sir,
all
no sir.
things.
He's
You
really
don't
right
see any
that you are a
kind
kid
of-
because you don't know about the willpower of the Indian soldier. Because if you are saying that the China is number second in the soldier type, so India has a very good strength. We have very willpower.